Hey, so if your RAW files are not loading in Darktable, like blank previews, import failures, or unsupported file errors, yeah, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually fixable. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to fix Darktable RAW not loading in 2026. First thing, check your file format. Make sure your camera RAW format is supported by Darktable. Next, update Darktable. So older versions may not support newer camera RAW files. All right, try re-importing your photos. Sometimes files don't load properly on first import. Now check your files. Corrupted or incomplete RAW files won't load correctly. Next, make sure required modules are active. So Darktable needs proper decoding modules for RAW processing. All right, reset Darktable settings. Corrupted configs can block RAW previews. And yeah, update your system libraries if needed. RAW decoding depends on up-to-date camera support. So that's how you fix Darktable RAW not loading. Once fixed, your RAW files should import and preview correctly.